Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all my new viewers, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm showing you how I make Mullah Weka. This is a Sudanese and South Sudanese dry okra stew. Check out the description box for the ingredients as we jump right in. I add all the ingredients except cumin powder, salt, and dry okra. It's best to adjust the salt after the stew is ready because vegeta contains salt. I top these up with water and cook the meat for 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat is well cooked but still firm. Adjust the cooking time according to the firmness of the meat. Once the meat is cooked, I add cumin powder and let it simmer on low heat for 3 minutes to give it time to blend in. I add the cumin powder towards the end to preserve its flavor and aroma. At this point, I adjust the water level. For reference sake, I add roughly 3 cups of water to the soup, making a total of approximately 4 cups or 1 liter. I now add the okra powder and using this traditional Sudanese cooking stick, I blend it into the soup. I add the powdered okra in little increments until it is incorporated into the soup. Doing this prevents it from lumping up. You can also use a whisk or hand blender if you don't have this cooking stick. However, if you choose to use a hand blender, blend the okra separately, then add it to the meat. Check out my other dry okra recipes where I have used these alternatives. The okra has blended in well, so I return it to the stove. I adjust salt to taste and allow 2 minutes for everything to blend in. And just like that, our Mullah Weka is ready. I served it with asida, but it can also be eaten with kisra or Ethiopian injera. For simple recipes, consider subscribing to my channel, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching and bye for now. I look forward to seeing you all in my next one.